Hey there, it's Pam from Our Adventures Everywhere and Monday, so I'm sharing a couple fun days for you this week. Tomorrow is Thrift Shop Day, so this would be a great day to maybe find a new local thrift shop and go visit it, or try a little thrift shop shopping if you've never done that before. You could also maybe declutter a little bit in your house, find some things that you could take to a thrift shop and maybe try and sell, so make a little extra cash there. So a couple fun ways to celebrate that. If you have kids, a really fun thing they enjoy would be just, give them $5, take them to a thrift shop and let them go see what they can find. They get a kick out of it. It's like, I don't know why, but kids love this type of thing. So that would be a fun thing to do too. The other day this week is the 19th, and that is Aviation Day. And it is the birthday of Orville Wright, which is why that day we celebrate that day as Aviation Day. So a couple fun things to do that day would be to maybe watch a documentary about the birth of flight or about airplanes or anything to do with flying. Another fun thing would be to go visit a museum if you have a local museum. I was amazed to find that there's like 4 or 5 within an hour drive of me. So I'm sure you have some near you too that you may not even know about. So I'll be sure and share that day on social media and Twitter and Pinterest, a few different places I've found that would be fun places to visit if you live around Indiana. So that would be fun to do. You could also just maybe find a book at the library about flight. Why do airplanes fly? If you have little kids, or maybe you've got a child who you're about to take on an airplane sometime in the near future, kind of talk them through what you do, take them to the airport. That might be fun. Maybe your airport has a viewing place where you can watch the planes take off and land. A lot of them do, and that's fun for kids. Or maybe there's a restaurant where you can view that. I know some of the smaller airports tend to have that, like a restaurant on site where you can go and watch planes take off and land. We've got a few of those nearby too. So anyway, a couple fun ideas for this week. I think they're good ones that will not break the bank, but you can have a lot of fun with them and learn a little something and just have a good, enjoyable week. So I hope your week is wonderful, and we'll chat again next week. Thanks.